My name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. We're proud to say that we make Hershey's milk chocolate using quality ingredients from the very best sources. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines and screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pop.
69% West Africa.
But they all have distinct flavors depending on where they're grown. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
How many beans for a pound of chocolate?
52.
Nope.
Before the blend,
360.
large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Cozy in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks over the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Amazing that something so small is accumulating large chocolate. A good friend of mine is waiting ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. We've used fresh whole milk to make Hershey's milk chocolate for over 100 years. Every day, shiny tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is also what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious, distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk to just the right consistency, and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the almond all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh,
We feed the chocolate with steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth and uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kit to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These punching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform the refined crumb into milk chocolate. The punching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb.
You see that chocolate in there?
The silky liquid texture
Oh, that looks
of milk
good.
chocolate.
After punching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor belt. This removes the air bubbles and lets the chocolate settle evenly. Then we send the molds to chemist that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged. Here we add the finishing touch by wrapping up a world of wonderful Hershey's chocolate treats.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Kisses chocolates are made by dropping a precise amount of chocolate onto a moving steel belt. The chocolate is quickly cooled into our trademark Kisses shape. Looks like our packages are ready to go. And that bag is gone too. So for the breakfast clean your bag today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from
Get rid of that big thing where you go
so be sure to share that with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Big smiles. 1, 2, 3.
Fruit photo time, everyone. Ready, say, Hershey. Everybody squeeze together for a photo. Say, Hershey. Okay, time to go share some goodness. Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
And visit us again soon.
Reach out any season until the door opens and watch your step on the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.